Ever wondered about crypto training? Honestly, it's a roller coaster. Then you have coins like Aster. But that's where the opportunity lies. You search, analyze, and look for potential. It's not just about big money. So stay safe, stay smart, and keep charting those moves. I'm always deep diving into the crypto charts, constantly tracking resistance, potential double tops, and even big retracements like this. I'm forecasting everything from a potential 14K drop to a retest around 64K or even a consolidation around 80K. But sometimes life just decides to call. Literally, right in the middle of a critical market update. Guess some things are more important than the charts.
Morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, subscribe, like and comment. I need only one subscriber to make 1500 subscribers. So guys, let's dive in about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, let me go here because it's very important to go some like a weekly chats. So alright, so we are here. In fact, I have to go to on a monthly because I think I've not talked about more Bitcoin on recently. So remember, this the 2021 2022 bull market, it was a resistance there. That's why we make a double top, and then this is when this area resistance here, that's when during campaign before that's the end time for Biden, and then here this breakout. So this is the during the 2024 before election, and then this is the 2024 election when Trump win, and that's this candle you see here. This when a new president, which is just a 1 year right now. So we broke out. Remember, now we are on the parabolic move, guys. This is called a parabolic. Once we break the high, and then there is a possibility that the Bitcoin to retest that around 74K, okay, to come more. But for any reason, we don't know, guys. Remember, prediction is always we just predict, but we don't know about what's going to happen. But when you use the terms of charts now, this is when you see the long term is already sell on monthly. We have that confirmation already. Like we are going to retracement. We call a retracement, and lane for insane will be that around 74,000 on PTC. Around 74,000 on a people. Sorry about that. I have some interference here, and I will go to talk later. So so right now we are now going to see some of the liquidation, and we are going to see where is buyer. So remember, this we have this chat here. It is telling you it was time to sell. Okay, that's the first one. It came with retrace here, came here, make a double top. So if you want to know, from here now, from this one, it just called 104 to top here. That's like 14,000 to drop here. It may be already priced in, so that's another thing that you should consider. So this is the area of the, and okay, another thing before I forget, I don't know if you see, this is the red, which it was a top, and then the bottom is around 74,000 420. That way we are watching. We go down on MACD here, always watch that one. We're still under the red zone, and we have some critical now on short term right now. When you talk about the short term, we are talking about from right now. So we have this price which is came around, what's this price? It was around 86,000. In fact, guys, if you break around, remember we have already depended this area between, let's call 80k. If around 82, if that will lose, guys, remember we have already printed the sell here, and it's going to be another leg down. Watch around 74k. Remember between here we have like another 14k difference or a 16k. Yeah, so that's how it will be brutal. So guys, thank you so much, and keep safe, watching. I'm still watching this area. We have this sale which is already today. In next 24 hours is going to talk about more about BTC and the coin that I'm now this year. So it look like future is going to be one of the beautiful. It's called Esther. So Esther right now, I started this year, guys. So like I'm doing, it's not a lot of money, like $10 per week, because right now if this one is going to go down, expect like negative 90%. So downside. Okay, when you talk about negative 90, how can you come up with if you told can you measure that? How the stock open around $2 here, but we are going to take this one around that $3, and you see how much will be negative 90. Remember, these things you can drop until negative 90. Sometimes some of them is going to be, I remember, around, let's go put 90, okay, to be sure, around 0.2. yeah, from all-time high. So a lot of things going to drop that percentage. That's what I'm DCing. I'm expecting something like that, which is unbelievable, right? So most of them is already doing that thing, moving negative 90. So for example, like Prime here, it's just trying to remember Prime, it was around $28. The same thing I've already told you. Remember, Prime, it just pumped recently, and we have some data. I'm going to talk about this one. So remember, Prime right now is around negative 98%. So go about injective. Another injective, I'm going to talk about injective. That's what I'm telling how the crazy the market right now is going to be happening. So we have some, okay, I've already told you. I'll go to, and I'll go to take you tell you why you should now some of the DC and some of them you.
You think crypto is just about these charts? We're talking XRP hitting all-time highs, rocketing up after consolidation.
But then 2026, it's not going to be easy, guys. Things can get real slippery. After deep diving into all these patterns, sometimes I just need to fill that gap.
Yeah, from predicting breakouts to delivering takeout, that's the real daily grind. Who knew crypto trading could lead to Church's Texas chicken? These crypto gains are just wild. Fartcoin just exploded over 100%. My daily chart showed a MACD cross, triggering this huge pump. Even with past fakeouts, we've seen these coins make big moves before. But now, let's find the next big one. I just picked it up around this dip, and boom. Even with MACD under zero, we could see a massive Christmas rally. Looking towards 2026, despite short-term downsides, this could be absolutely huge. So, are you buying? Let me know.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are diving in to watch what XRP is doing. So guys, I talked the last time this resistance lines, so it was 1, 2, 3, and we are here right now. Are we going to break at the number 4, or we are going to break? So remember, we have it was support number 1, number 2, and also we are here. Is it on this number 3? It's going to be holding, or it's going to break downside. So guys, let's see the charts now. So that's the structural, how they looks, but now we want to see the real thing on MACD. So remember guys, on MACD as already signal is sell, but on MACD is already on a pair market. So the last time MACD it was above 0, it was around here. So it was around September. So this when I sold my XRP is around here. So the first resistance here around 320. That's the last time we saw XRP. It was above histogram, which is that's whenever anything above that area, that's a bullish. Like here, when you see the first one here, it was above 0 here. It keep holding above 0, and that's why you saw around $2 and almost $4 on XRP. And another structure on XRP. Now let's go and talk about again on a structure, which is very interesting structure. I don't know if I've already shown you about this structure for XRP. Remember XRP when they listed on Coinbase, I think I talk about something like that one. So when you talk about XRP here, it was the time they listed on Coinbase 2023 when yeah, you remember when they listed on 2023 September towards 2024, early 2024, XRP was listed, and then it started, is it 2023? Yeah, 2023, and they started moving sideways, and then during the election time, this when XRP started rocketing, and once it consolidated around this area 1 week, and then it break through, went all the way, it came on retracement. You see that area with bounces, you consolidate there for another leg up, which is it broke out from this area, went all the way to all-time high, and right now we are on this point. So guys, I saw you see that one, and now we are watching, this is this week until guys we caught tall candle for a breakout. Otherwise 2026 is going to be it's going to be not easy guys. So 2026 is not going to be as a business as usual. It's going to be very slippery, and also without forgetting, you maybe see some bounces, but watch that area. Okay, you can watch that area. I'm on the ETF on XRP right now, so I'm down a couple of the percentage, and when you see on a monthly here on XRP, when you use something like a Coinbase XRP, you will see XRP, but if you want to see the clear information, you can use on Binance here. So that's when you'll tell you the first time you signal the Pi, that's what it will rocket. So we make this here, and right now we are on here selling signal. So are we going to deep straight? No, we can have some popping. So but guys, we have some money target, so I don't know, still targeting less than $1, and that's another thing you should think about it. So guys, I'll not, but we are watching, so we are watching all the way. Remember, we have some cups that we need to fill on weekly. So like this huge candle on weekly, monthly, I mean, this is called a cup now that we need to fill it. You know, it's not going to do like that. So probably the volume which is by that stop from that area is going to close in the future. I don't know today, not that today, but maybe